What a beautiful day.
Hey, that's my line.
Quiet, Albert. I can do whatever I want.
Fine.
Wait, what are we all doing here?
I don't know. Hey, this is North Yard. I haven't been
Why
here
are we
yet.
here?
Why are we here?
Um,
You see, we had issues back in the other one, so we were kicked out and we moved all of our equipment in the middle of the night to here.
Hey Albert,
What?
well I've never been to this yard before.
I haven't been here for a hot minute.
I haven't been here ever.
I reckon it's that good perspective.
what are we here now?
Wait, why am I over here?
Well, you guys are being too, in the part of better name, so, we gotta, move somewhere else.
Make a mistake.
Yeah, Jackie.
Yeah.
I have a question.
What?
You said you used to be in Germany, but then you moved to the USA.
Yeah, back in 1900.
Whatever happened while you were there?
It all started back when I first arrived. I worked with another engine, Buster, as you know him now. And everything was good. Until...
Oh, that was a great ride. Thanks, Albert.
You're welcome.
Hey, Albert.
Yeah?
Basically, I've heard that new roads are being constructed for the cars.
Roads? Why here?
What's a road?
Well,
It's for those new things called the automobile.
What's an automobile?
It's something that they use instead of trains, but honestly, we're superior.
Yeah, it's not like we'll go out.
well,
Yeah.
You should know that to some non-believers. Some people think that trains are superior and cars are faster than them.
Ugh, what do you mean?
Well,
Do you think there's a chance our railway will close down?
No, there's no chance.
I better head to work now.
Alright.
Well, I have to go now. Bye, Albert.
Bye, I guess, Buster. And with time, we got older and we broke down more often. And the automobile was winning the race, so to speak. We had no choice. They brought in new diesels to try and save the railway, but it didn't work. And then, you know, the road and the cars came about, and that was the end of my railway.
Well, bye, Albert. I'm so sorry that happened to you.
I didn't want to remember.
That's sad, Albert.
Yeah, I guess I might as well, you know, I should tell you guys this stuff eventually, so, you know, I did.
Alright.
Oh. Well, I'm very sorry that happened to you.
Oh, don't be, it's not your fault.
I know it's not my fault, but why did they close down in the first place? Like, it wasn't their fault that they put the roads.
Yeah, but, you know, the passengers who used to take my railway, they decided that traveling by car was just easier, and the hassle of taking the train just wasn't worth it anymore.